In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from MEXC to your bank account step by step. First, open the MEXC app or website and log in. Go to Assets Arrow Spot and make sure the crypto you want to cash out is in your spot wallet, not in futures, margin, or earn. If it is, tap transfer and move it back to spot so it's available. Next, you need to sell your crypto for a cash-friendly asset, usually USDT or your local fiat if there's a pair. Go to Trade Arrow Spot to choose a pair like BTC/USDT or ETH/USDT. Select Sell and place a market order if you want it to fill instantly. Once you hold USDT or fiat, it's time to move money to your bank. Depending on what MEXC supports in your region, go to Buy Crypto/P2P/Fiat Withdraw. If you use P2P, switch to Sell, choose USDT, select a buyer with your bank transfer method, enter the amount, send the money details, confirm you've been paid, then tap Release. If direct bank withdrawal is available, select your currency, add your bank account, enter the amount, check fees and processing time, and confirm. You can monitor everything under Orders/History/Withdrawals until the funds reach your bank. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.